Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat, and I hope you are doing really very well. In today's video, we are going to see how to grow braided bougainvillea plants. Like as usual, you would see everything with updates. I also did a mistake and going to share it in this video. Please follow the steps. Step number 1. First, we need to grow bougainvillea plants from softwood cutting like this. I already have a complete video on this with updates. We need softwood cuttings or else it's going to be quite difficult to shape them like a braid in case we use hardwood cuttings. Step number 2. Once they root well, do like this. We can grow 3 to 4 cuttings together easily. After doing this, please wait for 45 to 60 days at least so that they can grow. The size of the pot is 8 inches wider and 8 inches deeper. Using basic potting soil mix, which is 50% normal garden soil, 25% vermicompost and 25% coco peat. Keep the pot in shade for next 5 to 7 days and then only provide direct sunlight. Step number 3. This is after 6 months. You don't have to wait for such long time. We can start braiding them much earlier. Let's say around after 40 to 60 days. These are the 3 cuttings that I grew together. Today I am going to repot and braid them. This time I am going to use a bigger pot and it's around 12 inches wider and 12 inches deeper. Using basic potting soil mix, which is 50% normal garden soil, 25% vermicompost and 25% coco peat. I am also not good at braiding, and that is why I am going to take help of my beautiful wife. Make sure to remove the thorns or you might get hurt. Important thing to note. In case you want to do the same, please do either in spring or in summer. Avoid doing this in winter. For example, I did this in May. I have used a PVC pipe on the bottom part so that new shoots cannot grow from the bottom. I want new growths only on the top part. I am extremely sorry to say that I lost that particular footage when I used the PVC pipe. It's simple anyway, and let me share it from another video. Here is the mistake that I did. I selected a wrong variety and it was Chitra Bougainvillea. It is bit difficult to make them fuller, pruning it to prevent it from producing very long branches. Please note it was the month of August. The top part is already starting to grow well, so going to remove the PVC pipe now. Anyway, looking good, and I am quite excited to see how it's going to look after a few years. This is the result from February, almost after 8 months. Few days back it was blooming much better, but again really sorry. Not sure why I lost so many footages for this particular video. Anyway, sometimes it becomes a bit difficult to track a plant for such a long time. Same plants, and this is the result from December 2025. Updates from May 2024 to December 2025. but not so happy as I selected a wrong plant, and that is why it is not much fuller like some of my other plants. I should have tried with either temple fire or with scarlet O'Hara. Most important tip is coming in few seconds. Anyway, did you like my braided bougainvillea plants? Please let me know by commenting below. Important tip: whenever you use a PVC pipe, always please make sure to cut in the middle, or else after some years it's going to be too difficult to remove it. And obviously we have to remove it as the main stem is going to grow bigger. If you like the idea of braided bougainvillea, I believe you would also like to know how to grow braided Aprajita plant. For that, please check out the next video to know more. Hope you found the video useful, and if you did, I would truly appreciate if you give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you are new to gardening upbeat. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and enjoy.